I'm Dr. Vijayalakshmi, working as an Associate Professor in the Department of Basic Science in Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for watching my videos. For more information and other videos, please visit my blog vijayalakshmibs.blogspot.com. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe. In this video, you learn 5 models of degrees of comparison in an easiest manner. Degrees of comparison refer to adjectives in different forms to compare one person or one thing with another. There are 3 forms of adjectives such as positive, comparative, and superlative. The root adjective is said to be in positive degree. There are 2 ways of forming the comparative and superlative degrees by adding ER-EST or more or most to the positive degree. In general, words with 2 syllables may use ER or EST, and words with 3 or more syllables may use more or most to the positive degree. Model number 1. Positive degree starts with no one. Adjective should be in between as or so as. For example, no one is as strong as Mohan in the class, or no other student is as strong as Mohan in the class. In comparative degree, adjective plus ER than any other is observed. For example, Mohan is stronger than any other boy in the class. In superlative, the plus adjective plus EST is observed. For example, Mohan is the strongest boy in the class. Model number 2. Positive degree starts with very few and adjective should be in between as or so as. For example, very few cities in India are so big as Madras. In comparative degree, adjective plus ER than most other or many other is observed. For example, Madras is bigger than most other cities in India or many other cities in India. In superlative, one of the plus adjective plus EST is observed. For example, Madras is one of the biggest cities in India. Model number 3. Positive degree starts with some. At least is a mandate word and adjective should be in between as or so as. For example, some girls in the class are at least as beautiful as Geeta. In comparative degree, not plus adjective plus ER than some other is observed. For example, Geeta is not more beautiful than some other girls in the class. In superlative degree, not the plus adjective plus EST of all the is observed. For example, Geeta is not the most beautiful of all the girls in the class. Model number 4. In positive degree, adjective should be in between as or so as. For example, Buddha is as wise as Solomon. In comparative degree, not plus adjective plus ER than is observed. For example, Solomon is not wiser than Buddha. Model number 5. In positive degree, not is compulsory. Adjective should be in between as or so as. For example, he is not so tall as or as tall as she. In comparative degree, adjective plus ER than is observed. For example, she is taller than he. In this slide, all the 5 models are consolidated in a tabular form for your ready reference. Exercise 1. First sentence comes under model number 1. Shakespeare is the most famous of all writers in English. Is in superlative degree. Shakespeare is more famous than any other writer in English is comparative degree. No other writer in English is so famous as or as as famous as Shakespeare is in positive degree. Second sentence comes under model number 1. Iron is more useful than any other metal is in comparative degree. Iron is the most useful metal is superlative degree. No other metal is as useful as or so useful as iron is positive degree. Third sentence comes under model number 4. I earn as much money as Ram is in positive degree. Ram earns more money than I is comparative degree. Fourth sentence comes under model number 4. China is larger than India is in comparative degree. India is as large as China is in positive degree. Last sentence comes under model number 1. Greenland is the largest island in the world is in superlative degree. Greenland is larger than any other island in the world is in comparative degree. No other island in the world is as large as Greenland is in positive degree. Exercise 2. First sentence comes under model number 4. I am taller than my brother is comparative degree. My brother is as tall as I is positive degree. Second sentence comes under model number 1. Sham is the strongest boy in the class is superlative degree. Sham is stronger than any other boy in the class is comparative degree. No other boy in the class is as strong as Sham is positive degree. Third sentence comes under model number 3. Raja is not the cleverest of all boys in the class is superlative degree. Raja is not cleverer than some other boys in the class is comparative degree. Some boys in the class are at least as clever as Raja is positive degree. Fourth sentence comes under model number 5. India is not as large as China is positive degree. China is larger than India is comparative degree. Fifth sentence comes under model number 2. America is one of the richest countries in the world is superlative degree. America is richer than many other countries or most other countries in the world is comparative degree. Very few countries in the world are as rich as America is positive degree. Thank you all of you for watching my video. These grammar videos are not only important for SEM and exams but also for placements and all competitive exams. So don't forget to ring the bell for subscribing.